Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you one of the best features of iPhone. So if you are using an iPhone, this is really an essential things you need to do. So I would like to show you the way how to pick an object and how to copy them from only a picture. So you just need to open the photo library now and choose the picture that you want to take the object from. Okay, let's say I would like to try this one. So iPhone can take the object from this picture and you can copy it to paste into another files. Now the things that you need to do is just go click and hold in the specific part of the object that you want to take. Like for example, I think I would like to click and hold in this part. Click and hold, and you can see that they start to have a highlights on it, and then you just need to go click copy. Now you can just open any documents or any application, and I will let you go with the notes here and just click it, and there will be options paste right here. Just go click paste and the object will be pasted into this. You can also do that at the same time, the same ways into your Instagram story too. So that's the way guys, how to pick an object from a picture. Hopefully this tutorial today is really helpful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.